Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to perform different kinds of edge detection filters on a color image. As I have mentioned, we are not directly going to perform on color image. We are converting it to grayscale image, and then we are going to apply edge detection filters. For this, we use the function edge. Don't think again. I am edge function. There is no such kind of function. There is directly function called edge. CLC clear all is the same. Now comes reading the image. A equal to I am read of JPG image. Now here itself I am going to convert RGB to gray and oh, here we need to pass this variable a semicolons. Yeah. Now coming to the next line. First I will do all the function calls here itself. Later for subplotting it becomes easy. So now I am going to apply an edge function. Yes. In this, the first parameter will be as similar to noises. You can see here, right? As similar to noises, the first parameter is same. That is nothing but grayscale image. And the second parameter will be type. There we have used the type of noise. Here we are going to use the type of edge. The, the first one is Sobel edge detection. Sobel is one of the type. Next one, just a second. Here it should come small. Sobel. Then one more edge detection filter. The name is Previt. Prewitt. Previt. These are all the different types of edge detection filters. And at the ending of once all the outputs are displayed, I'll tell the which edge detection filter is the best one. You can only identify itself, and I'll tell the application of each and every filter. And now I am going to use one of the most popular one here, Kenny edge detection filter. And coming to next, one more edge detection filter. This is also often used in our computer vision technology also. Laplacian of Gaussian. It is simply called as log here. Yeah. Now figure subplot. Since I am going to work with many images, I am going to take somewhat big size. Subplot of 2 into 4 size. Position 1. I am show of a title is original image. Original image. I am copying this thing again and again because these all no need to explain because from every video I am explaining those. At position 2, I want the grayscale image to be printed. Gray, let me say gray image only. Any name also we can call, that's not an issue. At position 3, I want to keep Sobel, Sobel edge detection. Let me name it as Sobel edge image. In the next one, now I am going to take position 4, displaying D, and Sobel is done. D is for Privit. Privit edge image. Next, at position 5, I am going to use E. Kenny edge image. Kenny edge image. Next, F is for log, right? 246. And here I am going to display that F, nothing but Laplacian of Gaussian. Laplacian of Gaussian Gaussian edge image. Yeah. Still here for what programs we have written for those all you can see the output once. I am going to save and execute. Let me name it as image edges. Yeah. You can see this one. In Sobel, you can see just like a light dottings. So this was one of the earlier techniques. From Sobel, the next came is private edge detection filter. In Privet, you can see that it is somewhat similar to our original image, but here you can see that only some lion part is visible. Lion was also not completely visible, and no background like here, like something like yellow color grass, and those all are there. Those all are not detected in this image. So the next advanced technique came into the technology is Kenny edge image. In this Kenny edge image, you can see that you are unable to see that lion image actually, because it is focusing on each and every edges focused in the image. Here you can see the complete land edges are also noted in case of Kenny edge image. This is one of the image we are going to use even in the technology of artificial intelligence. And this Laplacian of Gaussian is also one of the best technique we can say. And for doing this Laplacian of Gaussian, there are other two techniques also. But comparing to those techniques, this log function is very simple, as it is the one of the inbuilt one. So with this, I conclude the edge detection filters on an image, and in the next video we are going to see how we different color image models. Nothing but still now you have seen RGB to gray. I have shown to you. Now from RGB to what are the other different models also you are going to see in the next lecture. With this session is concluded. Thank you.